Hey, this is Brian Lindley, Green Home Inspections. It's a nice hot summer day in Texas. I'm inspecting a house that's been flipped. Somebody's purchased it, redid the interior, exterior, and now they're selling it. And the buyers, of course, asked me to inspect the house. Let me show you kind of the things that we look for and some of the things you might not see if you look at the house yourself without getting inspected. So I'm going to flip the camera over. We're at the water meter. So we look at the low flow meter in here to see if anything is possibly moving in the house water-wise. You can see that spinning. Now there's nothing in the house working with water right now. The water's definitely going somewhere. Let me show you where it's going. We're gonna whip through real quick. We're gonna walk to the house. So there's a water meter, water line going in. On this side of the sidewalk, start to see moisture. Continue going on, more moisture, quite a bit of it here. Kind of leaking out, looks like maybe under the concrete. Could be coming out from under here, I'm not sure. But as I follow this in, you can tell they've done some previous repairs to the foundation. That's patchwork right there, where they've gone in, done foundation work, and then patched it up when they're finished. A lot of this work is done right where that water line is coming into the house. And in the main living area, this area right here in front of the door, it's kind of humped up a little bit. So there's a little extra, let me kick my shoes out of the way, little extra undulation on the flooring, and these are all new floors. You see some of the tile grout is cracked, some of the tiles have cracked to the wall there, and where that little hump in the floor is, cracked tiles here, they go all the way through, and they come to about this direction. That's a pretty good indicator that the water leak is somewhere right under here. It's making the concrete kind of bulge a little bit, and it's leaking itself out from under the slab or through the slab, through the front door, and down to the front street. Get your homes inspected. This is Brian, Green Home Inspections. Thanks, have a great day.